everyone. I'm going to make a very easy salad today, but one of the most tastiest salad. When I was catering from the home many years ago, many used to order this, okay, and it's very easy. There's a million and one things you can put in, but I've just gone through what I have, and in the description section below my video I will list out all the ingredients you can possibly use. Just use whatever you have, but I will run by and tell you some of the essential things that's nice to put in the salad, okay? One of them is onions. You can put some purple onions, and this one really gives a kick. Don't ask me why. This is down soup. Just use a scissors and snip. Even the tiny stems that come with the leaves will be nice in this, okay? This whole thing goes in. Bawang merah yang dipotong dadu kecil-kecil dan daun sup sedikit dengan batang-batang lembut, ambil gunting dan gunting. Salad ni paling digemari oleh orang-orang yang order makanan dari saya masa saya buat catering dari rumah dulu-dulu. So percayalah, ini memang sedap. Mungkin ada orang yang dah tahu pasal ni, tapi experience saya ramai yang tak tahu. And salad ni boleh dibuat semahal-mahalnya ataupun sesimpel-simpelnya. Kadang-kadang kalau tak ada budget, buat ni cara simple. Saya akan tulis di bawah video under itu description semua bahan-bahan yang boleh dipakai, tapi ada setengah tu macam kita taruh memang sedap. Antaranya adalah bawang dengan daun sup ni. Okey, saya campak saja dalam satu bowl besar ya. Lepas tu saya pakai Fuji apple. Kalau ada apple hijau ke apa pun boleh ya. Saya potong macam ni. Lepas tu ada nenas sikit, saya potong kecil-kecil juga. Apa-apa, kalau tak ada nenas fresh, nenas dalam tin tu boleh. Saya ada tomato kecil dengan anggur purple. Sepatutnya kecil-kecil lagi sedap lah, yang tak ada biji ya. Tapi yang ada dekat rumah yang besar sikit, tapi tak apalah. Dan saya masukkan timun. Timun ni saya kupas kulit, ambil sudu kecil dan korek biji-biji dia keluar. Lepas tu didadukan ya. Okey, campak-campak saja. Okey, ini ya. Jangan hairan kalau saya tunjuk ni. Ini adalah tahu pok yang telah digoreng supaya dia tak apa, goreng light aja. Lepas tu saya gunting kecil-kecil sikit dan gunting dua. Ini memang sedap. Bila saya mula-mula tahu pasal resipi ni dari kawan, saya pun takkan tahu pok dengan ni. Dia kata percayalah, bila dia sudah macam menyerap kuah salad tu, memang sedap. Dan sekarang saya pun nak beritahu, cuba kalau ada. Salad ni senang sebab tak ada macam bahan-bahan yang mesti ada. Yang tinggal apa yang sedap lah. Macam ni saya cakap sedap. Bawang, kalau bawang ada sedap. Daun sup tu pun sedap, okey? Kalau tak ada tak apa, jangan risau. Buat saja apa yang ada. Nanti ada banyak-banyak lah. Boleh buat dengan kentang yang dipotong, rebus, lepas tu potong dadu. Tapi jangan sampai lembut sangat kentang tu. Rebus, buang kulit, potong dadu. Dan untuk potong dadu dan kita campur-campur, tak mau dia pecah-pecah, kita jangan masak terlalu lembut ya. Okey, ini bakna kobis kita boleh letak macam-macam. Okey, satu lagi kismis. Kismis kalau ada yang macam campur-campur ni, hitam dengan yang oranye ni, like sedap lah kan. Okey, you can use almost anything, and in the description I'll give you, like I said. Now what I have today in my kitchen is I had this seedless grapes and cherry tomatoes, okay, and I have this tofu pork. There's some things that makes this thing really nice. One of it is chopped purple onions. Another is this tofu pork, they call it dried tofu. I always lightly fry it in oil, because if you're going to make a salad, it has to be all fresh ingredients, but this is pre-cooked, put in a bag and left in the shelf in the shops, so we don't know what condition it's coming in. So please just pan fry and then take a scissors and snip it up, okay? And what I have here is cucumbers, okay, which I have removed the seeds and cut to cubes. I also have one Fuji apple here. You can use green apples, anything. Okay, you can use cabbages. Cabbages are nice, but I didn't have any at home. Like I said, this is a very forgiving salad. Almost anything you put in will taste nice. So you can make it as expensive as you want or as cheap as you want. But this down soup is really nice, okay? This bits of down soup, it's the one the Malays put for their chicken soup and all that. It's bigger than coriander leaf, rougher looking. Just use a scissors and cut it up. Even the soft stems can go in. I had pineapples, fresh pineapples that I've chopped up. That is nice actually. And fresh pineapples, if you don't have fresh pineapples, you can use the canned ones minus the liquid, right? There's a lot of things. Potatoes, boiled potatoes that has been cubed, but don't overboil it, okay? Because when you toss the salad, somehow the potatoes will break up, so we don't want that, okay? So you can make this dish as simple as you want. Cabbages are also nice, okay? As simple as you want with very little ingredients. Whatever you have, like you see, even grapes, fruits. And if you want to make it for entertaining a crowd or anything, you know what would be pretty is that mandarin oranges. Those little mandarin oranges that come in a can, okay? Those will be very nice to see. Whatever veggie you can even use cauliflower, broccoli. You can parboil it and dunk it in ice water to retain its color. That too will look nice in this. I'll give you all in my description box. And now I'm not giving you any measurements for these, because it always depends on how much you can eat. You look at this amount here now in this bowl, right? I'm going to take half of it and put it in a container after I've tossed it with all these ingredients except the salt. And the other half I'll add the salt because I'm going to have it now. My family loves this. If I make a lot, they will keep it in the fridge, and you can see them at night going to the fridge with their fork and plate or bowl and digging out some more and eating. Okay, so it's really nice. Trust me if you haven't made this already. Okay, all these ingredients that I'm going to put in now, it's essential. Okay, semua yang saya akan masukkan sekarang kita mesti ada. Tapi kalau ada orang yang ada kencing manis di rumah semua, boleh campur-campur, jangan masukkan gula dulu. Keluarkan untuk diorang, lepas tu masukkan gula. Gula memang membuatnya sedap lah. Okay, ini kena tepung susu full cream. Jangan ambil yang rendah lemak, memang tak sedap. Dan ini saya takkan beri apa-apa measurement sebab semua orang akan buat quantity lain-lain kan. So lagi baik saya tunjuk saja. Macam ini saya nak simpan separuh dalam fridge tanpa garam, sebab garam akan mengeluarkan air untuk kemudian larut malam nanti ada orang cari-cari ni. Ini virgin olive oil. Okay. Lepas tu yang ini cuka. Okay. Cuka. Masukkan sikit-sikit dulu, kita rasa-rasa. Okay. Ingat ya, gula kalau tak mau jangan taruh. Saya pakai gula caster sebab senang nak bancuh-bancuh. Nanti saya tambah-tambah lah. Tengok kepekatan mana yang kita mau buat. Okay, saya pakai gula setengah dulu lah. Ini memang tak perlu measurement. Kita rasa-rasa dulu. Dan salad ni lepas buat kena simpan dalam fridge untuk mungkin minimum setengah jam. Ya, sebab benda-benda ni kena macam sebati sikit ya. Baru sedap. Okay, kacau saja. Another essential thing you have to have is lots of mayonnaise. Okay, you just play around with these ingredients. Play around with it and decide how you like it, but always remember the juices from these vegetables will ooze out. Okay, how much of olive oil you want to put in. I put little because this is virgin olive oil. I don't like it that much because of the strong taste, so it needs oil. Okay, you can even use corn oil if you don't have any olive oil. Like I said, this is a very forgiving salad and yummy. Make it as rich as you want, as expensive as you want. It depends on your individual taste, but right now if you look, it will look like nothing much because the liquid hasn't come out yet. Okay, and I'm going to remove some and add. So I've already added a bit just now. I'm going to remove some of it and for late night snacking. I won't say this is a fruit salad because like I said, you can add in carrots, pre-boiled carrots, cubed. I'll put a list of things you can put in. Ya. Okay, sekarang saya tadi masukkan mayonnaise ya. Lepas tu saya akan keluarkan sedikit dan yang baki tu saya akan tambah garam lagi ya. Dan cuba-cuba rasa dulu. Dia memang kena duduk dalam fridge seketika sebelum makan ya. Okay, saya tambah lagi garam di sini dan juga sedikit lagi susu dan gula sikit lagi dan cuka pun sikit lagi. Okey, ini saja. Lepas ni saya akan masukkan dalam satu bekas dan taruh dalam fridge sebelum makan. Lagi lama kita simpan, dalam 1 jam lagi dia sebati sedap. Air dari dalam tu akan keluar ya. Nanti lepas saya masukkan dalam bekas, saya akan tunjukkan. Untuk ni kalau ada bekas macam ni lagi bagus lah. Cantik nampak warna-warna dia. Banyak mana ni, banyak mana tu tak perlu. Okay, you don't have to put this much of that and that much of that. It's up to you. What are the vegetables you like to put in? I'll give you ample suggestions, right? And how expensive you want to make it. If it's for entertaining crowds, you can put nice things in that you want to. This is not exactly a fruit salad because as you can see the vegetables, you can add in cabbage. That's very nice actually, diced cabbages, and you can add in things like broccoli, parboiled broccoli, parboiled cauliflower, parboiled carrots. Okay, nampak tak dia sekarang macam ni ya? It looks like this now. The liquids haven't come down. It's nicer once the liquids ooze out. In about half an hour to 1 hour, it will be chilled and just nice to consume. Like I said, just experiment. Add what you like. The vinegar, the mayonnaise, sugar, salt, olive oil, and milk powder is a must in the ingredients. You can even add pepper, black pepper crushed if you like. Yeah. Okay, enjoy.